Welcome back to part 2 of how I did my tire tray, and we are working with resin. So all I needed was 600 ml crystal resin, carrot brown and crystal white. And you can see me that I am pouring the carrot brown mixed of course with resin in a big circle in the first mold. This mold is, by the way, the biggest of my tire tray, so this is the one which is on the bottom. And now I'm pouring the crystal white in very thin lines around. And what you're gonna see me next is I am using clear resin to fill it up and to push the colors on the edges. And this is actually the trick. That's all you need to do. The second layer, or the second part of the tire tray, I was pouring exactly the opposite. So first I was using the crystal white on the edge and then using the carrot brown and poured it on top, also in many tiny circles. And when we're unmolding it, you can see the difference by using those two techniques. And here again, after you did that, just very quickly grab your clear resin and fill it up. Sorry that you can see here my very beautiful measurement cup, but the camera was just focusing. Here I speeded it up with the last part of the tire tray, the circles around, fill it up with clear resin. And guys, give it a rest, give it a time, get rid of your bubbles and trust in the resin, because the magic will happen on its own. After 12 hours, you can unmold your pieces, and no words. I mean, no words. It looks so cool. And this was the piece I was using crystal white first and then poured the brown in circles on top. Also for that part, let me just finish getting it out here. Hello, here we go. That's it. So let's unmold now the other two. There was actually a little one as well, because I had some resin as a leftover and I love it. I'm gonna use this for placing my coffee cup on, and the big one is missing, so let's unmold the big one. And when you can remember, here I first poured the brown and then the white on top, and look, it's so different. It looks so different to all the other ones. And yeah, so give it a rest for another 12 hours. Grab your highlighter pen, paint the edges, get rid of some, well, leftovers in certain corners, and then start to assemble it. You just need to drill holes in it. Don't worry, you can drill holes in cured resin and start to assemble your tire tray, one plate after the other. And yeah, I mean, the end result is just stunning. And by the way, these tire tray rods you can buy on Amazon, and you can buy them in plenty colors and variations, in gold, in silver. Here I just used the black one because in my opinion it fits the most to this creation. So what are you waiting for? Let's pour.